right away. All right. Karina, we've spoken a lot about the brand. We've spoken a lot about Magnum. But we want to know a little more about Magnum and what it means to you.
Well, good evening, everyone. It's quite a special moment, and of course, an extra sweet moment for me because ever since I've been 16, I've been wanting to, whenever I was in Europe or any international country, I was always like, I have to have the Magnum Classic. I can't leave without having that. And today to stand in front and be a pleasure ambassador and the face of Magnum here in India, I think it's a big moment for me and the sweetest moment of my life this month, more than Valentine's Day.
Oh, nice.
And of course, just the fact that apart from the classic flavors, we also have two other amazing flavors, which is the almond flavor and the chocolate truffle. Mine now being chocolate truffle the favorite. I mean, I can't.
Do you want to actually pick up your favorite one right here?
Yeah, and why don't you guys also have one as well?
There you go. All right. So
I hope everyone is going to get
I
Magnum
think
bar.
everyone's quite excited about it.
Once they leave, at least for the fact that they've come all the way, they should get a Magnum. Should I eat it? Because I've just eaten one up there. Okay, so now if I gain weight, it's because of Magnum.
And well, after this first bite, you have to tell us what's the first thing that you love the most about the first bite. Ooh. Okay, so we were asking. So we've been asking people, what's the first sound that you hear when you bite into a Magnum?
Well, I think obviously the first sound what you hear is, I mean, I can only hear myself, which is going like, and it's the most pleasurable experience of my life. There's nothing more pleasurable in life, which is a combination of chocolate and ice cream. I mean, it doesn't get better than that, I mean, for any of us. And trust me, you don't know what I've just felt having this bite, guys. Y'all better get one ASAP.
Well, okay, you know what? We're gonna I think we've tickled them way too much. Well, now one more thing. Okay, we've got two beautiful ladies here.
No, y'all are just standing there with it.
I think
Don't
this is
waste
Kunal's 17th Magnum in the day.
17th. Last 4 days on Magnum.
Yeah, I think just today alone you've had like 17. Geeta ma'am, which number are you on right now?
This is my fourth.
I can't say no to that.
Okay, I'll take this one. Yes. Well, you know, I've always had this thing that I don't understand why all master chefs are usually men. I think we've got two beautiful ladies here. And I have this idea, all right? This idea is to go out there and experiment with your Magnums. We've got two plates that are laid out there. We've got some beautiful little toppings. We want to see which one of you can actually make the best sundae out of your Magnums. So do you want to try out? Yeah, and then we've got Master Chef Kunal here.
I'm there to help.
Of course you can take another bite. Woohoo! Okay, done.
Let's go.
So, Geeta ma'am, one plate is yours. I'll take these away from here. Okay. And do you want to start with like a new one?
No, I'll eat half so I can eat mine.
Okay, done. Right, this is the idea is to finish that one. Yeah. Okay, so there you go.
All right, there is a rule in plating or sundae. Less is more.
Less is more.
Always.
Oh, I like the sprinkles happening, the chocolate being splattered all over. I'm actually enjoying this, you know, I can see Geetu's eyes are like on Karina's plate right now, wondering what is happening there. I need to see what's going on. Oh, it's done with already?
Yeah, I can't put anything more.
Okay.
And since less is more.
Yeah, less is always more.
Wow, look at that. Oh, okay, here, we've got, okay, there you go.
I'm not giving up on this.
Oh, no, you're definitely not giving up on that. So, Chef, do you have a winner? Do you have a winner, chef? Come on, let's. This is like a tough one.
Don't go on beauty, go on the Sunday, huh?
No, I think both the ladies, all the three ladies are very beautiful. And for any home, I think the chef at home is the lady, of course. And, amongst both of these Sundays, because they've done it out of so much of love, and it's the Magnum at the core, so I don't think there can be one winner. Both of them look fantastic, and I think both of them are the winner. We have to give it to them. There
So do we want to put our hands together for our winners? Way to go. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Kapoor.
you.
I think now we'll go actually enjoy
Yes.
our Sundays, the ones that we are going to make out there. And we're going to open the floor for question and answers for Geetu and for Karina. You've got your respective mics. Thank you very, very much. And yes, please ask away your questions.
मेरा ये पूछना है आपसे कि चॉकलेट मतलब सेहत के हिसाब से कितना सही है खाना, कितना खाना चाहिए?
सेहत के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा है, बाकी चीजों से तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है।
आप कितना
और चॉकलेट
खाती
तो कम मूड बदल देता है। आई थिंक देयर इज नथिंग मोर दैट ब्रिंग्स एनी इट डजंट ब्रिंग सो मच हैप्पीनेस टू मी। आई थिंक ओनली चॉकलेट डज दैट। जब भी खुशी की बात करते हैं तो अगर मूड ऐसा थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है तो मैं चॉकलेट खाती हूँ। आई ऑटोमेटिकली फील हैप्पी।
करीना, आपने आइसक्रीम बनाया है यहाँ पे, सबको अच्छा लगा, लेकिन एक चीज जानना हमें बहुत जरूरी है कि आप वाकई में खाना बनाना जानती हैं या नहीं? अगर जानती हैं तो कौन सा डिश है जो आप बनाती हैं और सैफ को बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आता है?
सैफ ने कभी मेरे हाथ का खाना तो खाया नहीं है, हाथ से जरूर खिलाया है पर बनाया नहीं है। बट आई एम एक्चुअली अ वेरी गुड कुक। मुझे आई बिलीव कि जो एक अच्छी दाल बना सकते हैं दे आर अ वेरी गुड कुक, बिकॉज दाल इज एक्चुअली द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग टू मेक। एंड मेरी जो दाल है, आई थिंक everyone loves it. My mom and sister wait that, okay, when is she going to make the dal?
But I heard about you are a non-veg person.
No, I'm a veg person. अभी एक साल पहले ही I started eating fish and eggs, but दिल से तो vegetarian हूँ। दूधी करेला के बिना दिन नहीं जाता मेरा।
Thank you.
Karina, hi. Yeah. You know, like chocolate लोग खाते हैं इसलिए नहीं खाते क्योंकि because मोटे हो जाते हैं. But you already size 0. तो do you think अभी chocolate खाने के बाद आपकी size 0 कम हो जाएगी? What do you think about that?
बल्कि अभी तो साइज 0 तो हूँ नहीं मैं। बट अगर साइज 0 कहे या मैग्नम आइसक्रीम कहे तो देयर इज नो चॉइस, इट वुड बी मैग्नम आइसक्रीम, क्योंकि जब आप टेस्ट करोगे उसको तो पता चल जाएगा कि द वे इट इज एंड द वे इट टेस्ट्स, इट्स ओके, यू कैन बिकम फैट। बट ऑल्सो हम लोग दिन में 5 या 10 थोड़ी खा रहे, एक तो ठीक है।
But when come like you know Begum family like Nawab Khandan, they are so much foodie. Like Saif, Sarmila ji, Soha, you also. तो which is your favorite chocolate till now? मनगम छोड़ के. Which is your favorite chocolate till now? मनगम छोड़ के.
मुझे चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम पसंद है। That is what I have always liked. बचपन से लेकर आज तक मुझे चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
करीना, हाय, दिस इज विकास फ्रॉम सहारा। करीना, सबसे पहले जो चॉकलेट वाली आइसक्रीम या कोई भी आइसक्रीम आपने किसी को गिफ्ट की हो या किसी ने आपको की हो?
वेल, मैग्नम वालों ने मुझे गिफ्ट किया था। जब मुझे साइन करने आए थे तो एक डब्बा दिया था जिसमें 50 मैग्नम आइसक्रीम्स थे। 3 दिन में सैफ ने पूरे खा लिए, मैंने एक भी नहीं खाया। तो मुझे तो नहीं मिला गिफ्ट, बट गिफ्ट जो मुझे दिया उन्होंने खा लिया।